All right, let's take a look at what I got to do. I think something's up with the lighting. Maybe not. Is that how you do that? I don't know. Oh, it just got darker? Did it? Can't tell. I feel like it's dark. Oh well. Alrighty. Guess I can start working on the big old robot. Level design, more of World 2. I could do that too. Or credits. What will the credits look like? I don't know. Probably got to talk to Julio about that. I don't necessarily like the way the game over screen looks, and I don't like that when it's up, like I still have control of the game. So I guess what I should do is destroy the player and kind of see if what happens. I don't know. Maybe that's. Let me see what does happen if I do that. Where's level manager? Ah, so many damn. Close. Alt, but pinned. Thank you. Pin that guy there. Don't really need ship. Let's see. When I go game over, I don't. Let me look at destructible. So I think that's what triggers this. Okay. When I die, if ship and ship has player. So player's not destructible? No. So that's a thing, right? You can't get hit? Ship cockpit rescue part. Is the player not? Should I work on that then? It's a little boring. Player, box collider, rigid body, destructible. So the player. Now I have a question. So the health is representative of what? The player's current ship? Something like that. Now I did maybe want to change some of that stuff. Where I don't necessarily have health. I just get hit once. And it makes more sense considering you have the ability to jump from ship to ship, so you do get more hits that way. And maybe there's a shield power up. The jetpack is good. This power up meter, I don't really like how it works. Just destroying a bunch of enemies and then I gain power ups. I kind of want it to be only for my ship, first of all. And then if my ship blows up, it blows up. So I want to change that too. After all the things I said I wasn't going to change. So let's go ahead and take the health bar. This is level 1 here. Another thing I'm going to do is just throw in more ships, even up here, because you can technically fly up here. Yeah. And the health bar should apply to our player guy here. So I did some weird hacky stuff where some things are based around the player even while he's in the ship, because when he's in the ship, his position just updates to the ship's position. Whatever. And I feel like that has some negative effects in some places. I guess we'll see. But basically, I want the player to be able to get hit. And if the ship is hit, just die. So yeah, let's do that first. All right, so health bar. Start with the health bar. That's the UI controller or something. I'm not really sure. HUD. All right, health bar. If level manager instance player. So I don't care about the player ship. Okay. What's happening now? Okay, that just wasn't formatted. Okay, so if we have a player, then grab the player's destructible, like so. Health ratio, health bar scale, power up scale, player power up amount. So I think just to get rid of this. Thinking just to get rid of this. Just make each power up unique. Also, holding down the fire button should also fire. I want to do that too, but I guess one step at a time. All right, so I'll leave the power up meter. There it is. Okay, jetpack meter, that's fine too. That's all based around the player. So now the health bar is represented the player's health. All good. Now the ship is going to, if it gets hit, so here's where we have this thing. Okay, if ship okay, I'll leave that there. What's happening? What the hell? That's kind of cool. What, at backspace? I pressed backspace. Don't do it. Don't try to backspace in Visual Studio. See what happens. Don't make me do it. Don't make me do it. Okay. Now, I was in Destructible. Ah, God, everything's... All right, close all but pinned. Open up Loading Manager. Hide that open. Open up Destructible. I'm gonna pin that one too. Pin. Okay. Save. I'm gonna close Visual Studio so that I think that state saves. Yeah, okay. In case the damn thing crashes again. All right, destructible here. If the destructible is not enabled, don't do anything, fine. If I'm not invincible, and I get hit by another destructible, or I get hit by another bullet. All right, if type, what is type? The destructible type? Gain power up amount. So this, it seems like I'm gonna get rid of. Maybe today, maybe not. We'll see. I won't even bother with that. I will put a note here though. Let's see. Swap out power up meter for actual discrete power ups. You die, you lose them. I guess. Okay, so alive equals hit. Maybe I can do it in hit. Bullet.damage. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and say if type equals type.friend and b.type. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and say if ship and ship.player. If I am the player's ship, then I die. Yeah. Also, any friendship that did have the player, if the player's not currently in a ship, should not get damaged. So if the player jumps out of a ship, I can safely just disable the destructible. I don't know if that's the case yet, but this is just going to call die immediately, otherwise they get hit. They take 1 damage, right? Oh, right. Oh, I guess I could just say alive. Or actually I can't, okay. And not alive. Oh right, if I killed the ship, then do that. Alright, fair enough. I'm gonna go ahead and just in case say alive is false. And then bullet gets hit. Bullet always gets hit. Maybe that should be the first thing that happens. I guess it doesn't matter. What is this complaining about? Unnecessary assignment. Unnecessary assignment. I'll sign it anyway. Alright, so that's going to cause the player's current ship to just die right away. It's kind of loud. Oh, something happened here. Bar is not valid. Health bar. Input local scale is infinity. Because starting health was like 0 or something for the player. Okay, health, starting health. Pretty sure starting health just becomes that. Yeah. I guess I can do that on awake, just in case. That might be able to fix that. It does? Okay. So I should be able to get hit and just blow up. Oh, there it is. And the dumb thing about what just happened was let me turn that down. The player's ship disappeared, and the player was still existed. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is do a little bit of extra stuff here. So I'm gonna implement the crashing, the going down state, I guess you could call it. So that's going to be in ship. Ship have a state? Nope, nope, nope. To do, just hit damage. Life timer. Controls basic. Is crashing. There it is. Okay. Okay. So here's what's going to happen. So if is crashing, then we're just gonna start moving down, or we're gonna move for a specific amount of time of crashing. No, that doesn't make sense. Yeah, it's got to be once the ship is below a certain amount off the screen. I'm going to say something like -2, -1. It's going to move. Okay, hold on. So vector 2 position. Right. We're going to have to do like a start crashing. Which means I'm going to disable everything. Can I just disable all my components? Get components. Turn all components of type. Can I just get all the components of type component? want to say yeah. Get components of type of component. Ooh, for each component, if C does not equal this, I've never done this before. Go ahead and disable. Oh, there's no enabled? So component doesn't have enabled. Oh, do I have to go with mono behavior? No, does that not work? Cannot implicitly convert type to mono behavior. I am not. Oh, but this returns a component array. Then I'll just do the other one. Okay. Mono behavior. M, if that's not me, then disable it. Maybe I can get other components. Type, get type. Is that going to give me? Because I want to know if it's a transform too. I can't disable the transform. Oh, I can also say m does not equal this, and m does not equal transform. I want that to be enabled. Oh, and the renderer. I want my renderer disabled. What else is kind of important here? The audio source? I don't think I'm even using it. Transform, render, the ship script itself. I don't need the box collider. I don't need physics anymore. The shooter, the destructible, don't need it. Okay. Everything else can go. And we'll kind of see as we go. So then, okay, disable it. And then go ahead and say is correct. Is crashing. Is for sure. Alright, is crashing. Then I can safely update the position. Position.x. Plus equals new vector 2 times 10 and multiply vector by a scalar. Nice. So that would mean 2 units per second. I can just go ahead and say set down sprite. All the time. Let's do that. Set down sprite. And then the player just got to make sure that if the ship's crashing, just is crashing. course, this has to be public. And then in the player update, in ship update, the current ship if not is crashing, then I'm allowed to do the in ship update. But the in-ship update allows me to jump out of the ship. So I'm just going to have to wrap the inside code of that. Okay. I'm going to go move speed here. All these controls, all this flame stuff probably. It's probably just going to be left in the same state that it was. Current ship, transform position. If control.jump. Yeah. So. If not crashing, go ahead and do all this. Okay. Roll animation. Okay. So I can jump out of the ship. Now, if the ship is crashing, well, I guess it doesn't matter when I do that. Okay. If position.y is less than -2, I don't think any ships are going to be bigger than that. Then go ahead and level manager that game. Instance game over. So then I have to make sure that in the destructible, if we call die, which we do here if the player is in the ship, then instead of calling game over, if ship and ship has player, don't call game over, call ship.start crashing. See how well that works out. Let's find a bullet to hit. Come here. All right, just take that. Boom. Should be crashing. Oh, there it is. Where the hell did the ship go? Is it still there? Another ship. It's not. Probably do not this. And then don't do anything else. I guess I could just do else, right? I can add score if the player's ship dies. Destroy if death animation trigger. Name.length is greater than 0. Oh yeah, trigger death animation. Otherwise just destroy, and then the animation will call destroy. Destroy sound instantiate. Okay. And then maybe if I'm crashing, I can also instantiate a bunch of explosions, and that's easy enough. We'll see. Let's get hit. Doesn't seem to be the case if I hit something like that though, just a bullet. Oh! That's really fast, and it went completely the wrong direction. So this should be, let's say 1 and -1. Down. I guess 2 units per second is really fast. Okay. So the -2 is probably... I gotta make it so that when I hit other ships it also works. Come on. And there, I'm going down. And I can jump out, and now I'm safe in this ship. Until I get hit. Oh, now this is crashing. Oh, and then, oh. Now what made it game over? Oh, right, okay, so position is less than 2, and has player. That's important. Player is still in the ship when I'm down there. But I will say -1. And let me look back at destructible. And this should also work. Oh, so I didn't set it up. So this is only for bullets. If ship and ship has player and destructible type as an enemy, then also do this other thing. Die. Oops. Well, I guess also the bullet gets hit. So now I can just get hit by an enemy ship. Come on, where are you? There, and I'm crashing. Null reference exception. What the hell is this? There was no bullet. This is so dumb. Oh, but the other destructible gets hit. That's what it is. So this is die, and the destructible gets hit. Okay. Let's try that again, shall we? There we go, we're crashing. I can jump out. Ah, and I landed up here. Ah, getting hit. Ah, God, so many bullets. I died. Just gotta fix that camera. So what happened there? Let's retry that. Oh, it's gonna take me to like level 1. Okay, I'm crashing now. There I am. Okay, it zooms out there. Something happens with the zoom. What's happening? Everything's going off screen. And I died. I guess that's fine. But I guess you really do feel the effects of when you're moving the same speed, but you're on this thing that's going in the opposite direction. It's what really would happen. It's just moving pretty damn fast. Alright, it's not very like... I'm moving twice as fast. Oh shit, there we go. So it is very dangerous to be out of the ship. Now the ship's crashing, I gotta get out. There I am. And now I'm getting bombarded by bullets, and man. Holy crap. At least part of the game stops. Can also destroy all events that could possibly take place. Doesn't make the title screen, right? Okay. Not bad. I do need some audio for getting hit. Is that part of the player ship? Is that part of the destructible here? Destroy sound. No, it's not. There's just the bullet hit sound. So I guess in the ship I can add some sounds. Flame sound. Is movement scheduled? I don't need any of this stuff. Parts type, I don't need that either. Audio scale. Audio scale of what? Yeah, so this is actually more like the flame audio scale. Sure, I'll fix that up. Audio source. Am I even using the audio source? I am using the audio source. I forgot about that. Cockpit cruiser. Why do I need to know the cruiser? I mean, that one's weird. These guys. Okay, let's add some. Where's that crashing guy at here? Okay. Audio clip. Crash start. Sound. Crash explosion. So now I'm thinking that maybe that doesn't happen. Maybe it just instantiates a bigger explosion that has its own sound. I could do the crash start sound. Yeah, and then I'll have to do the post crash explosion. How about that? And then let's add some stuff here. Crashing. Start crashing with crash sound effect.play. is this? All right. And then game over. Let's also do if post crash explosion, instantiate post crash explosion, at my position. That's not bad. Okay. Also, I have to destroy this game object. Or I could just turn off is crashing so that this only happens once. You know. Or I could destroy myself. Either one probably is fine. I don't know. In this case, nothing ever happens anymore. Well, I guess I could still technically land in it. That would be weird. And then the game would end. I'll just destroy it. Oh no, I can't land in it because... Yeah, I should probably destroy the cockpit on start crashing, huh? And if there's anything I'm doing with the cockpit... If cockpit is not equal to null, cockpit position. Okay. Returns a vector that is made of the largest components. That is made from the largest components of two vectors. No, that's not what I want. There. Just gonna make it really far away, just for the hell of it. That's probably fine. And then I don't have to worry about destroying the game object because I can't land it anymore. And all of my components are dead. So is crashing. So it's gonna play the sound effect. And then I could even add crash explosions. During crash explosions. So it's not too crazy. And this is going to be like super randomized or whatever. Float crash explosion time, crash explosion timer, crash explosion time is greater than or equal to crash explosion time. Then I'm going to instantiate also if crash explosion, during crash explosions. Then I'm going to do this. Explosion timer is greater than, no, plus equals delta time. Crash explosion timer is 0. Crash explosion time is random. Anywhere from 0. Anywhere immediately 0.01 all the way to 0.6 seconds. And then I will simply the collider is not enabled, but I can probably still access it. Interesting. Kind of want it to be within the bounding box. I guess I could just grab my sprite size. So that would just be the renderer size. I'm guessing this is in units, world units. Otherwise there's like texture, image, a sprite dot rect of the original texture, right? So that's not correct. So I'm just going to do renderer size. Draw mode is set to draw mode sliced. To render, get the size to render. Okay. I don't really know if this is going to work. All right, so min transformed position minus renderer dot size of this is I guess this is a vector 2, so I could just use pause. Right, there we go. And then vector 2 max equals min plus render dot size. And then the explosion position is anywhere in that range. So explode x min.x to max.x range min.y max.y. Okay. Explode position equals explode x explode y. Instantiate during crash explosions at explode position. Can I do it without that quaternion thing? No. Quaternion. There we go. Okay. Now we'll just do all that stuff, right? Okay. So player ship. Where are we here? Ship. I guess all those things should be public, and they're not. Yes, they are. Is there a problem? Oh, there is a problem. Ship does not contain a definition for cruiser. S.cruiser. Oh, I deleted that thing. So I guess there was a reason for that. Public cruiser. Cruiser. Just grab that easily. Cruiser, okay. Okay. That doesn't really do anything. Player ship. So crash start sound. Let's get a. What the hell's big ship damage? Go to these damn sound effects. Where are they? If I could find it. What is big ship damage? Big explosion. No. It's electric wave again. It's not that great. Punch. Did I ever implement this? Doesn't sound that great at all. Oh man. I guess slash is not bad. Just to kind of, what the hell? Okay. Slash is not bad just to kind of make sure that it works. So slash gonna be crash start sound, and then during crash explosion, I'm just gonna grab a regular regular explosion 1. Yeah. So let's get that there. Explosion 1. There. And then we're going to explode all the way down. Come on. Okay, we got some stuff happening. Cannot destroy. Oh, because cockpit is a transform. Come on. I guess those, that looks pretty good though. What the hell happened with the camera there? Shit, what the hell? Ugh. So something does happen with the camera that's really weird. Let's say I get hit by this bullet. I'm gonna jump out, jump in here. What was that? Why did the camera like stutter like that? Now I'm in this ship, and it does all kinds of cool shit. I kind of like the way the bullets go. Man, that made this game really hard. If I can't get hit ever. Try level 1. Oh, you know what? I didn't. Is player ship like a thing? I really should do that. I don't know why I haven't. Guess I just haven't made any major modifications to it. So this is going to have to be a thing. I guess I'll put that under level. It's like a level related thing. Come on. Alright. There we go. So that's that. And jumping over to level 1. Player ship instead of player ship. points, right? Good. Whew. Thank you for the heads up. So all that is coming from the bullet hit sounds. Should be able to handle this no problem. Let's get some stop shooting at stuff behind us. Ah. Shit. Oh shit, I'm going down. Was not able to take a look at that. 50,000 points. Nice. Did he finally stop shooting? Damn robot. Where is he? He's there, just following me. Where am I? Why is he going down? He's slowing down. Where's the player? Way, way down? I'm like falling. Yep, there I am. Just gonna go ahead and quit. And if I retry... Ah, that looks kind of bad. Shit. I'm gonna have to figure something out about that. So this is when continue button is available and level x dash x is y is shown, the hover button image looks like shit. It's the best way I can describe that. Oh, what is this? Oh, because I edited the game. So a lot of objects just decided to not get destroyed, huh? Wait, so let me go back to the main menu then. We're flying. Starting at level 1, 2, right? It does. Let me forego the robot. Ah, shit, I hit a ship. Ah, damn. You can't touch anything now. Balancing this is gonna be damn tricky. I'm getting called. Oh man, don't get touched. Oh, where's Discord? Where the hell's Discord? Hey man. Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Shit. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Fuck. No, no, I'm saying that for a different reason. Not because you can hear me. Wait, what the hell's this button? Step. Oh, I'm getting so confused. No, I set it up so that now you don't have a health bar when you're in the ship. You just get hit once and then the ship starts crashing. And the ship starts crashing, it just like slowly starts falling down and you basically can't do anything. So your only choice is to, I guess, attempt to jump out.
Okay.
And survive that way. I probably should flash some stuff like Mayday on the screen or something. Really want to do that.
That would be cool.
However, it would distract from like being able to see ships around you. So yeah, I got that pretty much taken care of. However, yeah, it does make the game like way harder now. Because you can't get hit by any bullets and you can't even like touch an enemy ship or else you just start crashing.
It does sound like a bummer, actually.
I feel like maybe that's what it should be though. Oh, because level 1, 2 doesn't have the new ship. Right, so I gotta delete all the ships and make it so it has the new ship. Player ship. There it is. Should probably zoom back in on that. Okay. Level 3. Player ship. Let's delete that. In favor of player ship. Level 4. Player ship. Player ship. Level 5. Delete player ship. What are you up to, man?
The tile sheet.
The old tile shit.
Yeah.
Shit. The player in the intro scene? No, and this is a different player ship, actually. This is player ship intro. Player ship. So, I mean, I was looking at it today, and this is the 47th video, 48th, or something like that. Not video, but day of streaming, developing this game. And I pretty much implemented every single feature of the original game.
Oh, really?
In just 47 maybe average 1.5 hour, 2 hour sessions.
Pretty nice.
Yeah. That adds up to about maybe like roughly 100 hours, right? That's like a little over 2 work weeks or something, you know, if you want to count it that way. Not many people get a full 8 hours in a day of actual work, right? If you don't count like meetings and all that other stuff. Get trips to the bathroom, coffee. Random chit chat. Anyway.
Shit chat.
Shit chat. Now that should be the next social network.
Like your butt plugs into.
Sure. It's whatever you want it to be. What is this? It's not showing my screen? Has it? Oh, I haven't even been showing my screen this entire time. I've just been locked in on... Well, it's been showing my screen if I've been coding, but it hasn't been showing Unity. Oh, that's dumb and annoying. My bad. Forgot about that. Well, shit.
To subscribe.
Yeah. That was level 2, level 3 player. I hope that the player wasn't registered on anything. I don't think it is. So, 4 player. Oh man, are you down to make this website?
Which one?
Super Sky Hero?
Super Sky Hero one?
Yeah.
When?
Today? I don't know, that was your idea.
I thought that was on the weekend.
No, you said we'll make it the drunken Super Sky Hero website.
Oh, we can do. Yeah. If you're talking about for, I thought you meant now.
Oh no. I just
Yeah,
meant today, as in this
I'm sure
day.
we could knock that out really easily. Actually.
Probably most of it, honestly.
Yeah, I think so. Just in a basic HTML page, maybe some Bootstrap to help speed the grid thing along. But even Flex,
sure, yeah.
without Bootstrap, Flex is enough too.
Yeah, it probably doesn't even need Bootstrap, dude.
Yeah, I think Flex would actually be enough. A lot of stuff that Bootstrap gives you is just Flex and rounded edges.
Do you know anything about like where Flex came from? I never looked into
What do
it.
you mean?
I just know that one day people started using it, and I didn't know if it was like if it like originated from a library or it just was baked into the new CSS stuff.
Yeah, it was CSS's rebuttal to Bootstrap. So basically,
Okay.
it's like that's what I liked about.
But
that
now
whole
Bootstrap
version.
just uses it. Right?
I know, it's funny, yeah, because before Bootstrap was built off of the grid functionality, it made the grid adaptive, because grid isn't like so straightforward to use, and you can still use it; it still exists, right? Float stuff like that that's kind of stopped working.
I love Float.
But yeah,
once I figured out how to use it, like I was like, yeah.
But it doesn't work. It's not supported everywhere nowadays.
Really?
And in some sandboxes, it won't even work for you. Like you can't even get it to work.
So out of touch with web development.
Flex always works, and Flex is awesome.
I guess you're gonna have to give me a crash course on Flex. I implemented it one time and I had to like figure it out, and I was like, oh okay, I kind of get it now, and then that was it, right?
CSS can do so many things, especially if you're using like selector operators. So you can like on hover, you can change the styles of
I used to do that too.
Classes or the parent classes or children classes, or look for one that has a specific property. There's like so many ways you can concatenate those kind of declarations that are pretty neat, and also like pointer events. This freaking border image slice is pretty dope. There's so much you can do. It's pretty cool. Okay.
So now, what should I do? Put the player down here. It's working, but it's not working quite the way I like it. Not to mention that the camera does screw up a little bit when I jump, like especially when there's platforms involved. As an example, oh shit. What happened here? Object reference not set. Bird clone. Bird update's not working. player transform. So this player is not, something's off. Current ship, previous ship, current mover. Oh, why is he deactivated? Something else happened right at the beginning. Player.awake broke. Null reference. Here? Okay, so level manager wasn't set up yet? Wow. Okay. I guess let's do some script execution order. Shit. Project settings. Script execution order. Alright, so that's all well and good. Level. I need to make sure that the level happens. So what is this? Toggle group default time. Scripts in the custom order can execute before or after the default time and are executed from top to bottom. All other scripts execute at the default time in the order they are. Okay. So I just need level manager to go at, oops. I just need level manager to go just before the default time. So Cinemachine pixel perfect. I wonder if I should use that. Let's put that at -10. I'll put level manager at -1. And now level manager will for sure be the first thing that operates. Why did Cinemachine change? I guess I'm not allowed to touch it. When is default time? Is it at 0? Apparently yes. Alright. Level manager. 1. Alright, so I definitely need this to be a -1 at least. Why is it -50 again? Now it's -1 again. Interesting. Alright, so for sure that's gonna fix that issue. Yes. And now I'm in the ship. Okay, we're doing good. Now this platform thing is what I'm talking about. So now we get on the platform, we get off the platform, and you can kind of see it right there. The camera is not.
I can't.
Oh, what is up with this? Oh, scale. There we go. The camera gets out of position when it zooms back out from being zoomed in. If you're too low near the bottom of the screen.
Okay.
Shit, I keep messing up that jump. Maybe I should make the cockpit bigger. Damn. Does it like not have one? How big is this thing? Alright, yeah, I'll just make it bigger. Size on the X. Let's go. Right it there. Offset it there. Shrink it a little there. Very close to the ship's actual collision box. It's actually a little bigger. Cool. Alright. That should make it easier to get back in the ship, just slightly. There we go. Alright, so I can already see, oh shit. Alright, so I can already see the camera's position is off. Where is the camera? If I can find it, it's in level and camera. Okay, it's a 2.4. it should know that there's a minimum position, right? That is a thing, right, camera? Game camera. So when I'm moving around, position.y is my y if less than orthographic size. If position.y is less than orthographic size, which changes as I'm zooming out. Oh, but and this only applies if the player's position is greater than the orthographic size. That's kind of weird. Otherwise, do that. So there, yeah, okay. So this check should be everywhere, probably. Except for on the screen shake, I guess. Okay. And then I think I can fix the screen shake. I kind of want to fix the screen shake. But let me test that really quick. Alright, so I still can't go below this level. Let's get out of the ship. Jump back in the ship. Perfect. Shit, bullets! Ah! Now the enemy bullets are too fast. I gotta slow them down or something. Shit. There goes that ship. I need an enemy ship. Yeah! Well, that sucked. So, I think the way to balance the difficulty curve is slow down the enemy bullets, but add more enemy ships. So I can dodge the bullets slightly easier, but still if I touch one, I die, and since there's more enemy ships, I have more options to jump into.
Okay.
It felt like that's what I needed just now. I don't know.
Yeah, you would. No, I don't.
Would I? I feel like I should just... I might need to start opening... At some point, maybe we should do like a beta testing.
Okay.
I'm cool with that. It's your game, bro.
Yeah. We do that. We do that. It's all right.
Bunch of emails. Let me fix the camera shake. So we have pre-shake position. I don't care about that anymore. I want to have shake offset. And then some kind of like desired position, real position, I don't know, real position. Okay, initial size, whatever. Real position, shake offset, that'll be that. And then on awake, real position equals real position. Oops. Although I guess you could argue this is just that other position variable. Maybe not. So start, not sure that was even there. I think someone just rang the doorbell. Hold on a second.
Okay.
Okay, I'm back. Thought I heard the doorbell. Guess it was my imagination.
Crazy, man.
I'm just gonna hide this little side webcam here. Okay.
It'd be funny if it was just like a notification or something.
This is the doorbell app telling you you have a notification. Current zoom, pre-shake
They
position.
do have that. That's for sure.
Yeah, that's true. They do. So this is really real position equals that. And then, well, this doesn't really make sense here. Real position equals position. And then I don't think I need that other variable. I don't think I need this real position variable. Current zoom. I don't have to do that. I can just do that. And then if shake intensity, do some shake intensity stuff. Y offset. Position dot y minus real position dot y. How the hell does that make sense? Oh, okay. So y offset is actually shake offset dot y. And then if y offset is greater than shake intensity, shake velocity equals negative shake velocity. Position dot y plus equals, so this is not correct. Y off, shake offset dot y is adds shake velocity. Shake intensity minus equals that. Bring that down. Shake intensity is 0. Shake velocity equals the absolute value of shake velocity. Huh. Shake is y offset is greater than shake intensity. Then it goes negative. Something seems off about that. And it goes negative. Or y offset is less than negative shake intensity. Let's say like float shake threshold, shake flip threshold equals shake intensity over time. If it's greater than shake flip threshold or it's less than negative, shake flip threshold, then flip the shake velocity, reduce the shake intensity. If shake intensity is low enough, set it back to 0, and don't do anything. And transform.position equals, and shake offset equals 52.0, which it should be by default. Let's make sure that it is. Shake offset equals 0. Oh, vector 3.0, I guess. Let's be a little more correct about that. Okay. So this actually just equals real position plus shake offset. And that's it, I hope. So let's do some more shakes. There's some enemies. Oh shit, I got hit. Oh damn it, I'm at the edge of the screen. That's what's causing that. Okay. Okay. So that wasn't too bad. It wasn't as crazy. I can test it better with the boss fight level. Level 5. Of course, save my changes. What the hell was that? What's happening to the camera? The camera went into outer space.
Are those locos around?
Shake offset went crazy, I guess. I don't even need the stupid Y offset variable, whatever that is. Okay, so I can just do that. Okay. The less variables, the better. Alright, I'm going to get rid of real position because I don't think I need it. I'm not really doing anything with it. I'm just setting it equal to this position variable. And this is just position plus shake offset. So as the camera's moving itself, it always knows where it wants to be. Oh, no. I should have real position because I'm constantly updating my position. Okay, so that's why I want real position. Real position. And real position is just where I am. Where I desire to be. So yeah, again, real position equals transform position by default. I don't need, yeah, so I'm never gonna update the actual position. I'm only ever going to update the real position. Real position, never referencing back to the transform position. and then just always go real position at the end of the update. And that way the real position is always the center of where the camera should be. That seems like whatever, cool, I guess. And the camera shouldn't go into outer space. Ah, shit, I died. So, if the player's still in the ship, the camera should still track the player. Why doesn't it? Ah, shit. Got hit. I gotta scale down some of these hitboxes. Oh, shit. I think I gave it like 50 health or something. There we go. Explosions.
Oh, throw Ghostbusters down.
Oh, cool. I have been kind of wanting to see that.
If you can, do the 4D experience.
Why is it 4D now? Can't they just stick with 3D?
Have you done them?
4D experiences?
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
What is it?
It's not. The seats move. It's like.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
It's like an amusement ride.
Oh, did you go to the theater?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the other movie that was theaters only, right?
Well, for the time being, that's just their new model. They're all planning on going streaming. They just are focusing their marketing to one specific box opening weekend, and so they're keeping the movies in theaters for less amount of time, and it kind of piggybacks. So it's kind of clever. At least that's what it seems like. It's kind of like they hype all the movie up. They're throwing more money at marketing for the movie itself, saying it's like movie theater exclusive or something like that, and then that movie effectively becomes marketing for their streaming service, because then the only way to see it after it's out of the movies is to join their streaming service.
Yes.
It's pretty clever. They may have removed the DVD format, but the model is still there.
I wonder if that kind of how that plays in psychology of some people, where if you have the streaming service and they're like, it's only in theaters, but it'll be on the streaming service after a month. How many people are willing to just wait the month because they have the streaming service? It's like, I'm going to pay the monthly fee anyway, so why am I going to pay extra to go to the movies? I'll just wait.
And I do think that comes into play. I do also think that some people are like, oh man, this is a lot of effort, so I'm just going to not watch it at all or avoid it. Just go to the streaming service. Or
I mean, the 4D experience probably helps out a lot. So.
No, that's what I'm saying.
Having things like that, novelty things, things that you can't get from the streaming service, is good.
Well, here, let me tell you what I don't miss about movie theaters is other people who are in their own world, and so it's kind of hard, right? Because when you enjoy the movie, it's really you enjoy the movie, right? You're just there. you can't help yourself from laughing or whatever. But you know, some people can be extra. Some people have other side conversations. Like, well, that stuff didn't care for. Thankfully, it only happened a little bit at the beginning of this movie
Yeah.
because once the 4D took over, you can't do anything else.
Yeah, you can't really. It's tough probably to have a side conversation at that point.
No, you can't. Like the audio is a lot louder. When it gets to the
Are the
scene,
speakers in the seats and stuff?
no,
Oh,
but there are like other things in there. They have like lights on the sides of the theater. They have these little spray bars that exist like in front of every to mist you in case like the scene has water in it.
okay,
Um,
yeah. It's very much
you
like the
turn that on and off. Yeah,
the
Disney World attraction
yeah,
stuff. Yeah.
exactly.
That's kind of what I like about it, and it's interesting way how that came around because that's nostalgic too, and the fact that you can just go there and they kind of corner you where like the movie theater tickets are too expensive to begin with, but when your options are like, oh, would you like to see this movie normal for $20, or would you like to see this in special super format for $25? Like they're doing the popcorn thing, but with the tickets now.
Yeah, it's good. It's definitely different. I mean, I can imagine like now that you've had that experience, you probably don't care to like have that every time you watch the movie, right? You're probably like sometimes or probably most of the time you're going to be like I just want to see the movie. Like
Yeah, I agree.
um but it does have that novel thing. I mean, it would be good, yeah, to like incentivize people to go to the movies using that, and maybe like some other things. I don't know. A lot of the times, like if it's like a physical thing, it's probably like cheaply made and mass produced, and maybe like a T-shirt or something collectible like that.
Uh,
Like the I survived the Hulk ride, um, stuff.
that was such a long fucking thing. And normally they have you wear 3D glasses with it. And it's
Mm-hmm.
like 3D and that thing. That was like the 4D. And honestly, I'm surprised they didn't do it because it just seems like such a fitting movie to have 3D stuff.
Oh, they didn't. Oh,
Themes and no, it wasn't. It was just the
so
4D missed the 3D.
so I fixed the camera shake. Was that in the bug list? It gets hit by bullet while in ship. Makes sprite.
However, I do
So
recommend.
this probably went away. You would recommend what?
I recommend the movie, and I highly recommend that experience.
So this went away. Okay. Fall animation can transition into fall animation because any state can. Maybe is falling never true for player fall animation should trigger as soon as walking off ground. Okay. That's kind of weird. Can gain gun levels. I'm not worried about that yet. Bullets hitting ground should register hit. High score goes up. Player plummets to death. Unknown cause. Okay. Oops. So I never added camera shake here. Oh. This one's close. Checking out this eBay item. I'll have to tell you about it later.
Okay.
Oh man, this is a tricky situation. What's too expensive for a Christmas gift?
Oh, fuck. I was supposed to get a TV yesterday. The funny thing though is the way the deals work are really interesting. Only very specific things have deals now. Everything else is relatively about the same price as it always was. Even within electronics. in TVs.
To do.
Oh, when she dies.
I'll be right back. Just have to double check something. Right back is in right back to coding. Oh, I still have the search here. Oh, man. What? Should be higher. Not seeing anything. That is expensive. Let's keep an eye on this. Okay. Anything else to work? I wanted to talk to you about the credits screen, I guess, also.
Uh-huh.
Maybe if you had any ideas for what that could look like. Other than just a black screen. Because the game's going to end early.
What do you mean?
As in, it's not the full game. Right, it's only 2 chapters.
Okay.
So the first part is going to say something along the lines of thank you for playing with a the rest of the game may come in the future message of some kind. And then obviously like a scrolling background with scrolling credits. Credits where you can fly around in the ship for no reason.
Smash Bros.
Yeah, I mean, I can do that. I could just make all the credits be ships, and they don't shoot at you; they just fly. Um,
What do you think?
I don't know. It seems kind of cheesy. It's not too bad, but it seems kind of cheesy.
I mean, the whole game is supposed. Nostalgia is cheesy.
Nostalgia is cheesy.
You know, because in the '90s they were really big on cheese.
I don't know. I mean, there wouldn't be much scrolling going on, right? There's actually not that many names in the credits to begin with. I can maybe think of like 10 different people. Maybe.
Only 10 whole people.
And aside from you, they'd all be like supported. Like just like a thank you list of people who were just supported me and helped me along the way, kind of a deal. Because you actually have like skin in the game.
Sure.
And Jason.
Always packing my hot pockets.
And Jason.
For the same reason.
Jason packed his hot pockets.
Jason packed your hot pockets.
Let's see, difficulty balancing, touch level design, more enemies, boss level, more dialogue. Ship should fly away after player lands on cruiser off the left screen. Power up meter for actual screw powers. Okay. I wonder if I inadvertently fixed this bug. I don't think so, though. Let's test it out. Let me see if I can tackle that one. So, the thing that causes this is what? Sometimes it was just the loading of a new game. So I don't know. Or when levels changed. It's too loud. Oh shit. Really good at dodging bullets. Shit, I can't even see these bullets. Alright, let's see if it loads off screen. No? Did the bug just like get fixed or something? What did I do? Oh, all of the sound effects are gone? Oh, the sound effects, oh shit. Also the power-ups don't stay. So the power-ups have to be like saved inside of somewhere else. Whoa, shit. Let's see if this one breaks. No, it doesn't. Alright, so... Oh shit, let me grab that. Ship. Yeah. Need some sound effects for that. Take that. Oh, fuck. Shit. Nothing happens there, but I could just do this and then the enemies keep coming. Oh shit, I can't get out. Oh shit. Alright, cool. That's kind of broken.
Alright. Yeah, cool.
collision stop working? It's like it didn't work while the ship was moving. Impenetrable glass. So I blow this up. Yeah, so I gotta put all the sound effects back in. This is tough. This is tough. Let's see. Nah, it's not. It's worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. What an idiot. Okay. Let's see. Sandbox has all the players stuff here. So this is the actual player. Let's bring in the player. And then copy component. Remove the player component. And how do I do that? Add component? No. There's a way to do this. Paste component is new. So I'm going to do that over here. Alright, so now that's right here with all the stuff that it needs. And then I can override apply, and I'm good. So now, oops, that could be there. Put that there. Should be able to go back to where I was. Intro scene, maybe. Guess I forgot where I died. Level 1-4. So I never beat it, huh? What happened? I jumped out of the ship or something? Oh shit, I said new game. Did that automatically overwrite everything? No. Oh shit. I need a ship to jump into. What the hell was that all about? Alright, so what was I checking? Whether or not my... What is this missing reference thing here? Enemy. How else am I doing desired move X? Oh. If just keep doing what it was doing, right? Let's do this. Let's do that. And they'll just keep attacking. Do I still have player here? Player to transform to X is less than. I can do desired distance from. Oh, that's absolute value. Equal player X less equals this. Player X less, okay, player. Okay, no more player references. All right, that's fine. Getting rid of bugs. It's probably good for now. I'll call it. Call it that. What it is. Over. The stream is over.
Already? All right.
All ready for you. Super long ago for me.
Already. So don't you worry.
All right, take it easy. Nobody chatting today. All good. Catch you tomorrow. What? Except for you. We'll always have you.
I drove them away because I am a driver.
You're very driven.
Yeah. My dad always said I always screwed around. Right. I was a driver.